Today we will learn how to create virtual desktop in Windows 11. So these are very handy because with these settings we can easily split our screen and also use dual system. We can divide our work. So let's start. As we can see, I have this desktop 1, I have this desktop 2. So if I select this desktop 2 and I select desktop 3, so if I open something on desktop, so as we can see that we have desktop 2 open this screenshot and desktop 1 we have nothing. So with these we can easily work around with different virtual desktop, and it can be very easy and user friendly if we have a lot of windows open on one desktop, and if we want to don't disturb our current setting on that desktop, we can switch around with these desktops. So if I want to close the remaining desktop or unused desktop, I just simply have to get to this menu and hit on the cross. So now as we can see, we have no other desktop. So I hope you have learned how to create virtual desktop and then use its corresponding settings. Thank you for watching.